What is up? What's poppin'? What's really good though? It's your girl Kathiana and I'm back with another video. You already know though. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to apply some false lashes, especially if you're a beginner or if you've been trying it over and over again and it's just not working. I'm gonna show you what I do and hopefully my video helps. And if it does, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, I'm gonna need you to stop what you're doing. Stop what you're doing. And go ahead and click that subscribe button and also turn your post notifications on so that way you always get a notification of when I drop a new video. So without any further ado, let's get it popping. Alright, so first I'm going to start off with my eyelashes. Then I'm going to use one of my makeup brushes, my eyelash glue, and my tweezers. And I also use scissors to cut the ends of my lashes, but I didn't show that part. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply some eyelash glue onto the false lashes. So as you can see, I'm holding it with the tweezers so that way you guys can get a better view of how to do that. So you want to make sure that it's on the part that, on the side that you're going to be putting the eyelash on. You don't want to put it on the wrong side of the eyelash. And you want to make sure that you spread it throughout. And then after you apply the eyelash glue, you want to make sure that you leave it on for 1 minute straight so it can dry. Alright, so now I'm going to take my makeup brush and I'm going to take the part that has the combing looking part to it, and I'm going to comb out my natural eyelashes out to make sure that they're completely straight. And you can either use a makeup brush or you can use mascara. Either one works perfectly fine. The whole point of doing that is to make sure that your eyelashes are completely straight in the line for when you put your false lashes on. So now that I'm done with that, I'm going to take the other end of the brush and I'm just going to brush it just to make sure it's completely straight before I begin the process. Alright, so now I'm going to take the scissors and then I'm just going to cut the ends of the eyelashes, as those ends typically tend to stick out and they're super annoying, so it's just good to cut them off completely. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my fingers and pull down my natural eyelashes, and then I'm just going to adjust the eyelashes to where I see that fits best. So I see where it fits best, and I'm just going to take my tweezers, and now I'm going to press down my natural eyelashes with my false lashes, so that way they stick together. And when you're doing this, you want to make sure that you're taking your time. So now I'm going to take the brushing end of my makeup brush, and I'm just going to brush it out completely and readjust it to make sure that it's completely straight and has that curling form to it. Always want to double check in the mirror. So now it's completely on and it's good to go. Looks nice. So now I'm going to start on the other eyelash. So I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna pull my natural eyelashes down with my fingers and apply the false lash onto it, and just adjusting it to see where I see it fits best, and then just kind of push it down with my fingers a little bit just to get it to stick some. Then I'm going to take my tweezers, and then now I'm going to use my tweezers to make sure that I press down on my natural eyelashes and my false lashes so they stick together. So that way it looks completely natural. And I'm gonna take the brushing end of my makeup brush and just brush it completely to make sure it has that curling form to it. And it looks like it came out pretty good. So of course I'm completely satisfied, and there you go, quick and easy. Gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey, hey. Up all night, baby, when we gon' I like it like that. She working that back. I don't know how to act slow. Another trick that I use is if the eyelashes are like very stubborn to put on, or if you're like really just can't get with it, then what I would do is I would take some of that adhesive glue and kind of like put it like on your eyelashes, kind of like how you would put eyeliner, but not on the eye, but like around the eyelashes, just like a little bit. And you'll see that once you put the eyelashes on, that it'll stick. So that's only if it's like really stubborn to put on, or if you just can't get with it. That's one trick. I don't do that all the time, but I do that sometimes. So that's one thing that I didn't show, but I thought I'd explain it. So hopefully that helps for you.